Hey, second grade, welcome back to another passion project lesson. So, yesterday, we talked all about making our reflections this week, and I am super excited because I actually took my reflection and practiced what I said I was going to practice. So, if you remember from yesterday's video, I said that I was struggling with strumming. So, instead of practicing all the notes, which are putting my fingers on these on this part of the ukulele, I am just going to practice this. So that is exactly what I did, and once I got it, I felt so good because I used to go like this, and it was just really awkward. And as if you can hear, my ukulele is out of tune, which I need to fix, but I just wanted to show you that I am actually practicing my passion with you, and I'm super excited because I'm getting better at my passion. So today, I am going to fill out my reflection sheet again with the next pieces that I'm excited about and the challenges I have this time I practice. So, as you'll notice, my reflection sheet looks a little different. I realize that I'm going to be looking at your reflections just to keep in mind what you're doing and maybe give you some help if I can. So instead of just putting the date up here, I'm also going to have you write down what your passion is, just for me to remember. I'm sure after a while I'll know what all your passions are, but for the time being, I want to make sure that I know exactly what you're working on. So my passion is the ukulele. Yay, I spelled it right. I always spell it wrong. And today's date is 4-28-20. And today while I was practicing, it's crazy because you'll notice that what I was struggling with yesterday and what I wanted to improve is actually my favorite part of today's when I was doing my passion. So my favorite part was I was so excited about getting my strumming down. So from one day to the next, it might have made you super frustrated the day before, and then once you learn it, it's like the best feeling ever. So in my first box, I wrote down what I enjoyed. My next box, what was a challenge I had. So a challenge I have today is that I'm trying to get between two chords in a song. So chords are like the different sounds you hear. So I'll show you. Let me show you with my ukulele. So I have to go from putting my fingers here, whoo, to putting my fingers boom, boom, boom. Super close together. And it's kind of hard for me. And if I do it for too long, I get too frustrated. So I kind of have to take breaks every once in a while, which is okay because I'm still learning and I'm super excited. All right. So that is my challenge. Switching or moving, I'll say moving. Move, oh no, come on, little guy. There we go. Moving fingers to make different sounds. All right, and then in my last box is how can I improve or fix my mistake? So how I'm going to fix this is I am going to practice moving my fingers back and forth over and over until I get it. And then in my other box, just a little tidbit, if there's any extra information you want to share with me, or just remind yourself of, in my other box, I'm going to write down, I got to play with Cody today, play the instruments, by the way, and it made me really happy. So that is an example of something you could put in your other box. And just like that, I'm finished with another reflection from this week. All right, second grade, I am going to start practicing my ukulele again, just practicing those two finger switches, and hopefully I get it by the time I do my next reflection. I can't wait to see all the passions you are doing and how much you are learning because of these. All right, second grade, see you tomorrow.